So hi friend, and I'm again come with the new video, which is for the just for review purpose. This video, I make it, and it's a review about PeerUp's application, which I bought in, last week for the learning English. And this applications is helped me a lot, and there are actually not it's not a promotions video, so don't think I'm promoting this app. So I'm not promoting this app. I just give a review. And actually I found a multiple way from YouTube. There I and also find on chat gpt and multiple AI how I can improve my communication skill, because when I make a video, I'm too much fumbling to making a video because I'm not properly frame the sentence. So I got a multiple way, which is start to talk front of the camera, front of people, and mm, face people to when you speak. So I thought I'm surrounded by those people who's speaking in Hindi. So how I find the people who speak in English, and I talk with him, and remove my hesitations and learn lots of things. So I got a multiple way, which first watching movies and read books and news also. So I'm continuous doing this, but I thought how much I'm improve, how we know, huh? When I'm not speak with the people. So I found a platform where people can connect with each other. So I got a multiple app, which is very costly. Uh, I don't take a name any app which I have not used. But most of the app which I found, it's very costly. So, but one of the app which is not too much costly, it's easily to purchase it. So this app name is a PeerUp. I'm getting a name because of I'm using it, and this app name is a PeerUp, and there are two features. One features I like it, which is talk with the AI, and there what I can do, I speak with AI, and AI can determine where I am doing mistake, and it's correct me how I can correct the sentence, how I can frame the sentence where I'm using wrong vocabulary and grammar as well. Hmm. So its features I like it, but till now I am not facing the people, sir. But I will start to face, because in my office and with friend I will start to talking. Huh. It's happened lots of mistake, but still friend supporting me. He can start, you can speak, and uh, wrong, so right, I'll be do it. Then what I'm learned from this app, we not speak with the people. Therefore, I thought we are not able to speak in English because of we are not facing the people's. So when I'm speak on the camera, first day you watched my first video. There I'm too much fumbling and not properly make a video because of the confidence. But this is my third video, and you can see I'm easily to face the camera. And this day by day I am improving my communications, and trying to face the camera and people also. And so I'm just there are one more feature which is very useful for me. There have a option key word of the day, which is very useful. Every day you know new word and you learn new word, and you can use it for your daily vocabulary. Hmm. Also, talking with AI, which is very useful. And now I will start the talk with the real human being on this app, which I bought at 1,000 near about. I'm not uh, properly remember this amount, because I bought in last week, but I'm start to using last 3 4 day back. And yeah, and one thing I'm share with you, last 1 to 10 day I'm not able to make a video because of the that time in my office conduct a audit, so I not get a time to making a video, so therefore I'm not able to make. And as a working professional is my routine, from morning from 7 to evening at 9 to 10 o'clock. I'm busy on that, so it's not be possible to make everyday video, but I'm trying to uh, get the time to for the videos also. And I will start within week. Sorry, friend. Actually, I got one call from my friend. That's why I paused it. And for from next week, I will trying to start make a real video, real vlogs in English, like in Hindi, tutti futti English. But we'll start in next week. So therefore, I learn lots of things in real world scenario. And please, you will you can comment on my video, where I need improvement, and how I can improve it also. And also my Instagram, you can follow on my same Instagram ID, same name like YouTube. Mm. And I know okay, I doing multiple mistake, but from I also monitoring my mm, performance from my first video to third video. And I thought ki I'm continuously improving. I, and also I get multiple feedback from my friend, my colleagues ki, yes, you can start good, but you still trying to reduce time for framing any sentence. Hmm. And also I'm start and I make a one WhatsApp group there. I'm join multiple friend and my brother also. And when we learn any word, any new vocabulary, we just put in that group. Hmm. So I also learn from that group multiple word, and I'm use it in my videos also. One of my friend was Dinesh Giri, and his channel name is Dinesh Giri Blog. He also started making a blog in English, and you please visit his channel. It's like funny types of video he making it. And still he is one of my friend who is trying to speak in English with me, and I got a support from him to speaking and to for the uh, mm, for speaking partner. Hmm. So he is one of the my speaking partner who is speaking with me every anytime, and he not shy in any front of people, any place. So this is a big thing for him. But also I'm trying to make it like him. So we will try, and in future video I'm trying to make in a real world scenario like a vlog. You will watching in on YouTube multiple video, a vlog in Hindi. So I also trying कि I also make a video but in English. हाँ. Uh, uh, but when I'm start to making videos like a real life vlog, then we have a chance to improve my skill also. And also if you like my video, please like, share, subscribe, and also support me for my journey. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.